camera like literally like wasn't going in. It was weird. That's what she said.
LOL.
Should I just like walk in and just be like, hey guys, this is where all the magic happens.
What magic?
Oh.
The magic of nothing.
Damn, I gotta go. 307. Oh my god, I just sat on my pillow.
Good one. Good one.
I'm
Bye.
filming, ma'am.
I'm muting. Goodbye.
Okay, well, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Diana. I'm sure you just heard me arguing with Bekka on FaceTime because this bitch decided to move to Colorado on me, so like that's like the only way that I get to like talk to her now, so I'm gonna keep her in this video. Just like, hi, shout out, here's her Insta, I'll leave it over here for her. Can you see the Mac shirt? Sorry, I'm like so scatterbrained. Your girl's back with another YouTube video after being gone for like 500 years again because, you know, sometimes I just have to sit alone in my apartment and watch Naruto, Yu-Gi-Oh, and My Hero Academia by myself and also play Halo online with a headset because I'm a giant nerd. Anyways, yeah, so here we are with a finished apartment tour. I literally finished furnishing my apartment yesterday, last night at like 10 p.m. So you're literally getting this the day after I finished furnishing it. It took me a couple months to be a real life adult and furnish my apartment, but it finally happened. And I know a lot of my friends have been wanting to, you know, see my apartment and I haven't let them over because I'm like, it's not done. It's not done. Can't see it till it's done. Here's a finished apartment tour. Comment down below any other videos that you guys want to watch, whether it's like fashion, fitness, hair, even though like I feel like my hair, my makeup, my outfits are the same every day. Like I'm literally wearing a t-shirt. It's fine. But yeah, let me know any other videos that you guys want to watch. Make sure you subscribe to your girl because I love you guys and I want to keep hanging out with you guys because you guys are my cyber fam and you guys have stuck with me for 5,000 years and I love you all for that. And make sure you follow my Instagram, which I'll also leave somewhere probably in this area over here because, you know, I post occasionally and sometimes my captions are funny because at least I find myself funny, but like I'm probably the only one that thinks I'm funny. Anyway, enough of this intro rambling BS that I always do because I feel like my intros are always 5,000 years long. Let's just get into this house tour. I'm trying not to do the finger guns, so I'm just pointing this time, so just get it. Alright, so this is my kitchen, aka the place that I literally spend 99.9% of my time in. Over here we have my little coffee station. I just have like two like 0-calorie sweetener thingies that honestly taste disgusting, so they're more just for decoration now. I literally tried to make one thing of coffee with them and I was like, hey, we're gonna stick to black coffee, that's gross. I have my little oven that just like came with it. All the appliances are white, which is not my fave, but here we are. We're just gonna work with it. I wish they were silver, but can't have everything we want in life apparently. Then I just have like all my towels here, a dish towel, and then my empty little, what is this called? Fruit basket, my empty little fruit basket, and my little cooking utensils, which should probably be a lot cuter, but like these are from when I lived in my college apartment and they still function, so you know what? Functionality is fine. It's fine. Alright, so this is the other side of my kitchen. Here I just have my sink, which is silver, and then I have my little hand washing and dish soap station, because your girl's become quite the germaphobe lately. Don't come for me, it's flu season, wash your hands. So I just have my Bath & Body Works hand soap, and then my Trader Joe's dish soap. I can't talk. And then over here I have my favorite part of my kitchen, which is my little wine bar. I actually literally don't drink very often because I'm old and I get a hangover after like one sip of alcohol, so I have my unopened bottle of Merlot and then my 32-ounce wine glasses. They can literally fit an entire bottle. I've never tried, but apparently you can fit an entire bottle of wine in one glass. And then I have my little copper, what are these called? Paper towel holders that matches my copper little fruit dish over there because I'm trying to go for like a copper marble theme. And then so obviously I have my little marble cheese board that I put my wine glasses on, and then little marble coasters right behind that. Over here we have my little island, which is also like doubles as like a bar. I just have a cookie jar in here. It's empty right now, but apparently I make some pretty decent cookies. I don't know. And then I have an anthropology candle here that I literally never light because I have wallflowers everywhere and then my entire house smells like Hollister because I like that smell. I'm literally stuck in 2007 when everyone would shop at Hollister and wear flannels. Alright, and the last part of my kitchen is these little bar stools that I literally got yesterday from Target because you girl literally decided to be an adult yesterday and finally finished furnishing her apartment and be, you know, like a real life actual 23 to 24-year-old. But yeah, so these are just from like the Project 62 collection from Target, I think. They're just wood with little black legs, and yeah, so that's pretty much my entire kitchen area. Alright, and so now here we are on my couch. My couch is so comfy. I literally got it from Living Spaces, like an actual real life adult. Like I went to an actual furniture store, so I was pretty proud of myself. And so it's just like this light gray couch, super comfy. I just have like this little yellow pillow and these like little polka dot like cow-like pillows, I guess. I don't know. And then my little fuzzy throw. And then so the pillows are from Hobby Lobby. This yellow pillow is from Target. And then the rug, believe it or not, fam, your girl went to Walmart. Your girl is balling on a budget over here, so this rug, this cute ass rug is from Walmart. Crazy, I know. And then my little throw is from Home Goods from a couple years ago. I've had it for a few years. And yeah, that's like my little couch area. Alright, so here's just a close-up of the rug from Walmart, my little Home Goods throw, my controls for my TV was good, my Hobby Lobby pillows, my Target pillow, and then above my couch I just have like the single piece of art that is in my apartment. It's by The Most Dope Photographer. Give him a follow if you want. I'll leave his stuff either down below or on the screen. So over here I have this little chair that I had in my old room, and I just thought it tied in with the rest of the house. I have this little faux fur throw. You can see my little red panda socks. Hey, what's good? So I have this little faux fur throw, and then I just have a couple pumpkins, and then these pillows never change, just like this little cactus pillow and little fuzzy Target pillow that I literally got from the dollar section. It's kind of dope. My little pegboard is from Home Goods, and it just says whiskey business because whiskey is my favorite liquor, and I thought it was kind of cute and funny. My little Jack Skellington, and then over here I just have a throw pillow and a floor pillow for when people, maybe they want to sit on the floor if they're watching a movie. And my selfie mirror is also from Target, and so is the throw pillow and the floor pillow. Alright, so here's just a closer up of the little rug and my chair. So it just says hello pumpkin, and this little floor pillow, my selfie mirror, hello, you can see how short I am. And then right above that I just have this little sign, it says chill. It's from Urban Outfitters. Hey, you can see my tripod in the back too. Hello. And all my Polaroids on my fridge. But yeah, so this is from Urban Outfitters. The mirror is from Target, like I said, as are the pillows. The little fur throw is from Target as well. So is the chair, TBH. Like literally everything here is from Target except for the little whiskey business sign and my little Jack Skellington, which obviously is from Disney, and Home Goods for the sign. And over here, right behind the little chair, I just have my like desk area. It's like, I just have like this little fur throw over my like chair because my cat actually clawed it when I used to live with my cat. And I just have like a couple of knickknacks. I have my perfumes and this little like organizer, my pens and my Polaroid camera and some pictures, a little plant, a little like skull thing. I'm into skulls. My picture of me and my sister. And then here's like a better shot of like the chair. And then above that I just have like another skull with a little tiny mirror. The skull is from Home Goods. The tiny mirror is from the dollar section at Target. And pretty much all these little knickknacks are from Target as well, except for this little what is this pyramid? That is from Urban Outfitters. And then real quick over here, I just have my TV, nothing special, just like a regular flat screen. You can see how big of a nerd I am because you can see that I don't only have a PS4, I also have an Xbox. Just have a little Ariana Grande record on the floor there and a little Gucci box. And then real quick, here's my bathroom as well. I just have this little Get Naked rug from Urban Outfitters, and I just have a little plain one over here. And then I just have my shower. I just have a white towel. My bathroom's pretty basic, I feel like. I have a candle, I have me, hello. This little gold towel wrap from Target, just a white towel. I have my, what is it called? Bath & Body Works soap again. And then just like my toothbrush and my Kiehl's night serums. And I have a little mirror over here and a wallflower. It smells like cookies in here right now. And then over here we have my bed. I low-key started decorating for Christmas, as you can see with the 'Tis the Season pillow behind me. But yeah, so it's literally just the same bed that you've probably seen on Instagram 1,000 trillion times. My little throw is actually a gift from one of my best friends for Christmas. It's from Urban Outfitters. And then all these pillows, literally every single one is either from Target. These two back here are from Home Goods, and then these three are from Target. This little D on top of my bed I made myself. I crafted it because I saw them on Urban Outfitters website and they were like fucking $30, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna make one for $5. My Raichu has followed me literally everywhere. I've had him since I was in elementary school, and if you guys have been following my Instagram lately, you know that I've been very open lately about the fact that I'm actually a giant nerd. So I have my little Raichu that's been with me. He's like my day one. I'm just gonna like, yeah, that's what we really came here for. And then so on my floor, I just have this little babe. It's actually a like bath rug, but I thought it went with like my room, so I have it as a little floor rug, my trash can, my little laundry basket, and my camera charger. And then I just have this little tapestry that is from Target as well. On the other side, I have a calendar that is from Anthropologie that I got a while ago. I just keep reusing it because it's really cute. Here's a little close up of that young D.
That's what she said.
And you know, my boy Raichu in the back. I just have a little nightstand over here. It just has this little lamp, my controls, and like, sorry about the ugly wires, and my like iHome. And I actually have like a giant mirror, which is kind of cool. And then last but not least, over here, I just have my dresser, which has been with me since like forever and a day too. It's been with me since my first apartment in SLO. And I just have a little TV, my record player over here, which is from Urban Outfitters, and I just have some pictures from my sister's wedding, some little Anthropologie candles, and my little Marshall speaker with a little fake palm tree behind it, my watch for work. And then over here I just have like little knickknacks and like my party favors from the Halsey Halloween party, which I still can't believe I went to. And then over here I just have a little dream catcher. So yeah, and that's just like my entire room, and that's literally my entire house. So thanks for coming, guys. Time to kick you out, and yeah, let me know what other videos you want to watch, and thanks for watching. Sorry I'm covering my face, but here we are. There's a giant mirror, and I thought I would talk to you this way. Here you go. Bye! Love you.